Hi guys, I am going to make my favorite facial scrub, and it only takes 2 ingredients. You need honey and cane sugar, natural chunky raw sugar, and I'm using this honey. You can use any kind of honey. This is expensive, but I threw out all my crappy honey. And this will make your skin feel amazing. Amazingly soft. Whoa. And I just get the packets from coffee shops because I don't buy big bags of sugar. And you just mix it up, and just put it on your skin, scrub it, and I would leave it on there for a little bit. It makes your skin amazingly soft, and once you put it on, you can leave it on there for a while. But this is natural and better for your skin probably than a lot of the other kind of masks that you buy. So let me know if you try it and if you like it, and thanks so much for watching.